Hi, I'm Shelly from Frugal Family Home, and today I wanted to share with you a money saving app called Ibotta. Ibotta can save you money every time you shop the grocery store, eat out, and when you shop retail stores. And I'm gonna take you through step by step how to set it up so you can save money too. So let's go to the phone and get started. Okay, so here we are at the Google Play Store, and we just want to search for Ibotta, which I already searched for before, and you'll come here to it and you just want to click install. Okay, so now we have the Ibotta app, and we're just going to open it. Okay, so now we're here at the Ibotta app, and I actually already have an account, and so you already signed up online, and then you just want to click login, and let me do that really quick. So once you open your Ibotta app, it'll ask you to name some favorite stores, and because I already have an account, my favorite stores are up here. But if you ever want to find a different store that's not your favorite stores, you can hit find, offers, hit grocery, and it'll take you to all the nearby grocery stores. And then you can just pick which store you want to shop. I shop Winco Foods often, so I'm going to click that. And then once your store loads, it has a store name at the top, and then here's the coupons that you can, or I guess I should say rebates, because it's cashback rebates that you can find on the app. And what's great is you can see all of them, or at the top it'll say for you, and you can click to go to those, or you can swipe, and these are the offers that are doing really well. And like here's cashback on mayo that we would use, and it brings it up, and you just click add the cashback offer and wait for it to load. And there you go, you'll get the check mark confirming it. And then this one, it says that it can be redeemed 5 times on one receipt. So that's great. If you needed more than one, you can use it. And you just can surf through each section at the top. That's frozen foods, dairy and eggs, breakfast, and you can just go through, add the ones that you're going to use, and skip the other ones. And then once you're done, you just go shop, purchase what you need, and when you get home, you redeem it. So let me show you how to redeem an offer. Okay, so I have my receipt from grocery shopping last time. I've already redeemed on this, but I want to show you the steps to actually redeem an offer. Okay, so you have your receipt, you hit redeem, and it will tell you to choose the store. And because I'm using Winco as my example, I'll click Winco Foods and just click on that, and then it'll load. And it'll give you the dates that the receipt has to be through, and of course this one's not in those dates, but I'm just going to show you how to do this. You just line up your receipt, tap to focus if you need to, and hit the take photo button. It'll take the photo, and then you'll just click finish and then submit it. And I'm not going to do that today only because I've already submitted this. Okay, so if you want to add your royalty card, which is limited to a few stores right now, but one of them in my area is Rite Aid. So to do that, from the home page, you want to go redeem. Click the redeem button. So you want to click all at the top. And then for our area, there's only Rite Aid. Okay, and then you click Rite Aid, and you'll come to a screen that looks like this. And on this screen, you can click add your card and then connect your card. And it's best to scan your card instead of typing in it manually. So you want to just click add card and then scan card. And that's all you need to do. And you'll get, once you've scanned your card, then you'll get either an error page or a confirmation that everything is connected. Okay, and you can save money while shopping at retail stores too. You click the find the offers button, and let's say, because I recently went to Lowe's to buy some pots, let's go ahead. You have choices of different stores, and I went to Lowe's recently, so let's click on Lowe's. And here we go, we get 10% cash back. And so you can submit your receipt for this offer with your receipt from Lowe's, and you just want to click redeem, and then you'll just continue and enter your receipt like we did the last time, and that will give you 10% back. It can also be used at retail stores as well as at restaurants. So let's go over and look at the restaurant. And restaurants and bars is here, and you can click on that one, and it'll bring up all of the restaurants and bars in your area nearby. And there is some that are labeled any bar, which would mean you can use it in any establishment, and there is a little information that you'll want to read about that when you submit. And again, you'll just submit your receipt, and there's more offers here. So if you're eating out and you're enjoying some beverages, this might be a good option to save money. One other way you can save is by stacking manufacturer coupons or sales prices with an Ibotta coupon. That's right, you can use both a manufacturer's coupon at the store and still redeem the Ibotta coupon here. And so what you would do is you would just pay at the store, take your paper coupon or your printable coupon, give it to them at the time, and then when you come home, redeem the Ibotta rebate too. So you can save twice on the same item you purchased. So that's a great way to stack and save money. Okay, to find out what offers you have saved, you can hit the My Offers button. And after it loads, you can see at the different stores what offers you have loaded. So let's click on Winco Foods. And I can see that I have 3 offers loaded to redeem at that store. And so that's how you can find what offers you have loaded onto your account. And when you want to see what your account balance is, things like that, you just click My Account or the account button with the little person. This tells you how much you have and what your earnings are, bonuses, how to invite friends, and other settings. So if you need to find anything like that, you can find it here on the account page. And once you reach the $20 threshold, you can click the redeem to withdraw cash, and you can get cash via PayPal or Venmo, or you can select to get a gift card instead. And that's how easy it is to add the Ibotta app, get signed up, and start saving money. And if you like this video, I would love to have you subscribe to our channel. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.